Diamond channel, welcome. Right, today I just want to highlight a little trick, something new I've recently learned, as well as just the actual trick itself. It also highlights the fact that making jewellery, there's so many different ways to do things, and everybody's got a different experience. So even people with less experience than you, if they've got different experience, it's likely they've got something new to teach you. So I always recommend just being open to learn new things all the time. An example of that is, I did a video a while ago on putting a file handle on, and then Michael, thank you very much Michael, I love this trick, he commented on how to do it. Like, he learned from his experience doing woodwork, how they used to do it. Never seen it before, never heard of it, no one's ever told me this, but from a different trade, really useful thing for jewelers. So I'm going to highlight how the best way you're ever likely to ever come across to put a file into your file handle. It's good fun, it's like a magic trick. It's like some ancient Egypt lost technology using vibrations kind of magic trick. It is amazing how it works. So I'll show you what I'm on about. So it's quite fun with this job. Like, I've got 25 years experience here, and this is maybe just go, oh, why don't I know that? I wish I knew this from the very start. You put it on, squeeze it on a little bit, you don't have to go mad with it. That would be nowhere near loose, tight enough. It would be too loose to continue working with. So you need things to be forced on really strong. And the standard way that you get taught it by other jewelers in the trade is to heat it up. And I've seen it in like researching like bladesmithing in Japan as well, like these old Japanese like metal workers putting the handles on their tools. I was like, oh right, yeah, it must be the best way if the old Japanese masters do it. No, it's not. There's a better way, I'll show you. But yeah, the old way, they would heat it up and then burn it onto a wooden handle. But it's problematic because you've got to get it just the right temperature. So if it's not hot enough, it'll just kind of stick in. It'll be sticking way out like that. Or if you get it too hot, it just goes in, and it's still hot, burning out, and then it's loose. And then, like, well, that's literally happened to me in the past. And I learned that using like poly filler, some kind of like wall repair filler, will go solid inside and set like stone, and that holds it in really tight. But this way is superior. I'm sure you're going to agree. So basically, put your file handle in, just shove it in, hand tight. Now, I'm not even going to touch the file handle. Use this hammer. Actually, let me just use a hammer that most jewelers are going to have, a metal one. So no tricks, just holding that in the air. It's going to hold the handle, not even touching the blade, and just tap down on it. That is proper in there now. Don't ask me how that works. It vibrated up against gravity and it's proper solid in there. So just so you know, there's no tricks. I'm going to do it again on a brand new wooden file. Yeah, how quick was that? No mess, like no noise, no banging against the bench, no risk of breaking the points off the top of files. That's how you put a file handle on. So if you've got jewellery, if you're going to jewellery classes and lessons and your teacher tells you about heating up the handle or doing what I used to do, try and tap it down. Like, well, I'm literally embarrassed about my old video. I'll put a link to it, you can see it if you want. Yeah, I used to put like a block of wood down or something where I got to be careful with the point of that, and I'd hammer the handle down onto it and then carefully pull that out of the wood. Risky and noisy and stupid compared to this. So brand new handle, yeah? See that? I don't have a brand new file, but there you go. There's no tricks going on with that. So there's literally a circular hole. I don't think it matters which way it goes on. So I'm going to do, it's partly for my own interest as well. I'll put some black lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it pushed up past there. So 7 lines on there now. Hand tight. Just make sure they're straight. So I got just about 4.5 lines showing. More like 4 lines showing. See that? No edits, no tricks. It's gone almost down to 1 line now. So yeah, look, you can see it's gone down to the second from last line now. So I forced it on a little bit by hand, but then it's just so strange the way you tap it. You feel like you'd knock it out and go down, but you actually, the vibration's forcing it up. A little bit magic how that happens. But yeah, great, definitely the best way to put your file handles on. So if your jewellery teacher is telling you to do it any other way than that, now you can show him the best way. And if he doesn't know this, it's likely he'll be either in denial that it's possible, but when you show it to him, he's going to be surprised. And he will have that same, or she will have that same moment I had when I learned it the first time. It's like, why don't I know this? You could potentially bruise some egos with it. So have fun with it. So if you like this video and you appreciate the little top tips of jewellery making advice I give, you can click like and subscribe, helps the channel grow, I'd be very grateful. Or if you want to take it a step further and help me share more of what I've learned over the previous 25 years being a professional full-time jeweller, you can become a Diamond Mounter patron. There's patreon.com/Diamond Mounter. There's a link in the description anyway. But yeah, click on that. If you become a patron, you get a shout out on the channel. You get access to all the new videos 2 weeks before they go live on YouTube. And also you get access to all the full instructional guides. There's like 26, 27 now. So yeah, they're like mini online courses. So just £10 a month, you get access to all of those. So I think it's quite a good deal. And the value is increasing because I keep uploading more of them. So yeah, it's quite good. And it's by far, I think, the cheapest way to get access to a whole bunch of jewellery making instructional videos online. And if not, just watch, enjoy, or appreciate that as well. And yeah, I hope you come back for the next video. So cool, check it out.